welcome back everybody. Welcome back. We're cooking with Chef Pop. We bring you the good stuff. All right, today what we're going to be doing some London broils. I'm doing actually 2 London broil. I season them with a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. All right, I'm also going to use the same smoker, and they've been marinating in the refrigerator for a couple hours with the salt and pepper. All right, so without further ado, let me get them all set up and ready to go. All right, everybody, these are the London broils right here. I have 2 of them, they're nice size ones. All right, I'm going to cook these London broils to 170 degrees internal temperature, and that is well done. I really like my steaks medium well or medium rare, but I have my wife's sister-in-law coming over today, and I don't know exactly what she likes, so I can't go wrong with well done. All right, so like I said, I have these the temperature set to 170 degrees. Right now the internal temperature is 59 degrees. All right, I'm still using the hickory hickory wood chips. So let me continue to cook these, and we'll check on them periodically, and I'll be right back. Hey, welcome back everybody. Welcome back. We're cooking with Chef Pop. All right, these London broils are done. All right, the temperature has reached to 170 degrees. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to completely remove them from the griddle. All right, there we go. Remove them from the griddle and remove the probe. Okay, I gotta get this smoke thing out. Okay, now what I'm going to do, put the smoke thing to the side here, and now the flame is all the way up, and now I'm going to hit it with some Evo, some olive oil, and we're going to get a nice good sear on them. Oh yeah, there we go. Beautiful, beautiful. Remove the smoke ring. That's completely done. And let me just get it out of the way. And now we're good to go. I'm going to let these sear on the side for a few minutes. Okay. On each side. Get a nice good crust seal on them. They got a beautiful color on them. All right, that looks beautiful. There we go. There we go. Very nice, very nice. All right, so basically, these London broils are done. They were cooked at 170 degrees. Excuse me, 170 degrees, and they're gonna be nice and tender too. Very nice and tender. I can feel it. I can almost poke this right through it. All right, let me turn my fire off. Yeah, let me turn my tank off too. Okay, now what I'm going to do now, I'm going to remove them and put them on this cutting board. Remove them on the cutting board. And then I'm going to tent them. All right, so what I'm going to do, because you don't want to cut into them right away. You do not want to do that. It's like popping a flat tire. All right. So I'm going to take these inside now and just let them rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. And after the 5 or 10 minutes, we'll cut into them. Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Cooking with Chef Puff. We bring you the good stuff. All right, this London broil was cooked perfectly. Let me give you a look at it. Inside, like I said, this London broil was cooked at 170 degrees. Well done. All right, because I didn't know if everybody liked medium well or medium rare. So I did well done just to be safe, so people will be happy that they'll eat it. All right. So let me just get a little nice cut of it. Oh, Jesus. This is like pull apart. Oh my God. This is really good. This is really good. I can taste that smokiness. Slight hint of smokiness. Now all I seasoned this with was salt and pepper. That was it. It's a London broil. It's a very lean piece of meat. This is so good. Oh my God. Oh my God. I'm losing pieces out of my mouth. I don't even need the A1 steak sauce. Oh yeah, baby. There's some good groceries, man. If you want to try this recipe, it's very simple. Watch the video. And it's very simple to cook. All right? But, like I always say, make it your own. Make it your own. Wow. Wow. This is really good. Oh my God. You better excuse me, everyone. I just want to savor this in my mouth. Well, okay. This recipe is very simple to make. It's very delicious. All right. You'll be the talk of the table. But all I want to say is that if you like this video, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring the bell. And I would really appreciate the subscribers if you subscribe. All right. And thank you for watching. And I'll see you guys in the next video.